Welcome to Workday Recruiting Candidate Communication. In this session, we'll examine how you can send, track, and view candidate communication in Workday. Juggling emails, phone calls, and tracking countless applicants can be overwhelming. But what if there was a better way to connect with candidates? Messaging is a game changer for recruiters, letting you text and email candidates directly through the system. This means faster communication for everyone. Workday messaging isn't just for external candidates. You can also connect with internal candidates and build relationships with prospects. While Workday messaging is a great feature, you can only use it if your organization has enabled Workday messaging. If enabled, an administrator can help you create message templates for common messages and updates, allowing you to save even more time. Once a prospect or candidate is in Workday, you have several ways to send communication to them. We'll begin with a candidate's profile. From a candidate's related actions menu, if you select Candidate Actions, you can choose from a few communication activities. These may include sending something to the candidate via email, mobile push notifications, or text messages, as well as creating a candidate reminder that Workday tracks of any email you send to the candidate in an area called Candidate Communication. Candidate Communication even tracks notifications sent as a result of a business process. Ever sent a message that feels impersonal and robotic? In recruiting, that could mean missed connections with great candidates. Your organization might enable message templates that let you create personalized communication. The key is that Workday uses dynamic fields. These are like placeholders that automatically fill in with specific details about the candidate or position. This allows Workday to generate personalized, custom messages that are relevant to every candidate. Workday also lets you add dynamic fields in several notifications. You can add these fields to the Send message, Invite to Apply, Interview Reminders, and Custom Business Process Notifications. Keeping candidates informed is key. In Workday, you can send messages directly through the system. From the candidate's profile, open the Related Actions menu, select Candidate Actions, and then Send Message. Workday uses a system-generated email to send these messages. This means replies won't reach you directly. No worries, when you craft your message, simply include an email address in the Reply to Email Address field. This ensures candidates can easily get back to you and that you stay connected with your candidates throughout the process. From the same Send Message task, if a candidate has opted in, you can also send text messages. In the Contact Method field, you would just add the SMS option. You can add this option in both the Send Message and Invite to Apply tasks. Just remember, keep it short. Workday limits messages to 160 characters. Any additional characters will create multiple messages. As mentioned, you can also send candidate messages via the Invite to Apply task. This task allows you to send candidates a link directly to a job requisition on your external career site. You can access the task either from the Candidate Actions or by searching for the Invite to Apply task. With text messaging, prospects and candidates are in control. They can choose to opt in to receive text messages. If they do, you'll notice an SMS text icon on their profile to let you know. While Workday messaging helps you connect with candidates faster and easier, it currently only supports US and Canadian mobile numbers, but stay tuned for future updates. When you have multiple candidates and applications, it can get confusing with who said what to whom and when. Workday has you covered with the activity stream. When enabled, this tool records every action taken on a candidate throughout the job application business process. Navigate to the candidate's profile and again, open the Related Actions, select Candidate Actions, and choose Candidate Communication. This page displays a candidate's activity stream. This feature captures any messages sent through the Send Message and Invite to Apply tasks. Now you can review a record of everything. This includes notes, emails, and any other communication between you, the hiring manager, and anyone else involved that has access to the prospect record or job application. Plus, you can even attach documents to these messages if needed. You can comment on prospects and job applications much like a group chat. This serves as a way to collaborate with others involved in the hiring process. What's great is that if a candidate applies for multiple positions, they'll have a separate activity stream for each application. This keeps everything organized and easy to find. On the candidate's profile, you can also find this information from the Overview tab and then select the Candidate Communication sub-tab. Information overload can occur quickly, especially when it comes to candidate updates. When you use the activity stream, you can use tagging as a way to keep everyone informed without cluttering inboxes. But here's the key. How much you tag depends on your company's notification strategy. If your company relies on notifications for updates, tagging can be a powerful communication tool. You can tag relevant people directly in the Workday activity stream, ensuring they receive important information without getting buried in notifications. By understanding your company's notification culture and tagging strategically, you can focus on the people who you truly need to involve to move the candidate forward. Great communication builds relationships. But sometimes you might find a fantastic candidate who's a perfect fit for a different role or even another team within your company. Workday allows you to quickly share a candidate's information with others in your company. Let's explore different ways you can share a candidate next. First, you need to select your candidate. You can easily navigate to candidates from the Candidate tab of the Job Requisition, the Job Requisition Workspace, or the Candidate Job Application. Then, select the More button and choose the Share Task. From the Share Task, select the worker with whom to share the candidate profile, then enter a message. Sharing candidate information doesn't notify the candidate. Another option allows you to share a candidate from their profile. From the Related Actions menu, select Candidate Actions and then Share Candidate. In this session, we've discovered how to send, track, and view candidate communication in Workday. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.